green, folks. I hope all of you stay home. But if you want to go out, wear a mask, stop the spread. Hopefully get to end this pandemic so we can reopen the economy and all that stuff. Coming to you at 138th Street, Mahaven, or 138th Street, Mahaven. But I'm just gonna say 138th Street Grand Concourse out loud. I don't understand why they put Mahaven, because it may not be necessary. Yeah, that announcement doesn't fit backwards. Anyway, coming to you at 138th Street, but they forgot to put Grand Concourse. I don't understand. With that being said, I'm just going to say 138th Street Grand Concourse out loud. At the end, so let me just give you a station tour. This is what it looks like, brand new. Yellow warning strips, new platforms, green parts.
Train to East Chester Dyer Avenue. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
And here comes Bronx. Here comes northbound. Here comes East Chester Dyer Avenue bound 5 Express train right now. Hopefully I won't be shutting down the passengers. Let's look at the announcement.
The next stop is 129th Street, Grand Concourse.
There you go. There you go. There you see East Chester Dyer Avenue bound 5 Express train gone. This is what it looks like. I'll get to the opposite side in part 2 coming up. Stay tuned. In the meantime, here's Manhattan bound 4 local train. Let me see if I can go down as fast as I can. And here comes indeed East Chester Dyer Avenue bound 5 local right now. Or 5 Express, whatever. Bronx Express. By the way, as you just saw, it was a couple of R142 5 Express or local have deeply cleaned trains. I'm not surprised. I'll see you in the part 2 video, so stay tuned.